Hey guys, for today, I'll teach you how to connect your Google Assistant to your TV box, or like this MXQ Pro to your TV. Okay, so all you need is a microphone like this one. Yes, then it has a USB port to connect like this, 2.0 USB type. Okay, so it is connected to your MXQ Pro. So for connecting is so very easy. Just connect this one to your MXQ Pro. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can test our Google Assistant's TV box to the TV. Okay, so for testing it, so we will need a microphone, and click this one, the mic on the screen. So we're using a remote, so let's try. Okay, hello Google.
Hi, it's Women's History Month, so I've been learning some new facts, like this. Valerie Thomas is an American scientist and inventor who patented the illusion transmitter in 1980. It can be called a form of 3D technology.
Tell me a joke, Google.
Did you hear about the two phones that got married? The reception was amazing.
Okay, this guys is for use for the Google Assistant, so it's connected to your TV box, so you will not type any like opening a Netflix. So we will check if we'll open the Netflix. Open Rick and Morty on Netflix. So as you can see guys, it's opening. So it's so very easy if you're using a microphone in a Google Assistant. Okay, so how to open the Google Assistant if it's not in your apps? Okay, so first is you're going to the My Apps here in your TV box. So you can use the microphone, or if you had a keyboard or mouse, you can use. So first is you're gonna go to Play Store, then like this one. All you need to do is update your Play Store first. How to update the Play Store? Okay, so updating a Play Store is all you to do is search the Play Store in your Play Store app. Okay, so you'll search the Play Store, this one. So you can open your Play Store guys by just entering your email, your Google email or Gmail. So if you search your Play Store, so after entering the email, you can go to the Play Store and update your Play Store. It will be like there's something that update or something like that. So after updating your Play Store guys, you can go to search the Google Assistant. Okay, So after that, search the Google Assistants. Here you can type the Google Assistants. So I already searched the Google Assistants, so I'll just click the Google Assistants. Okay, so the icon of the Google Assistants, guys, is look like this one. Okay, so after searching the Google Assistants, you can click the app. Okay, if there's an update for it in here, you'll just click update. Okay, then after updating, you can click open. So it's very easy. It's like just on your cell phone. Open. So guys, you need a microphone or any headset that has a microphone. Okay, so I bought this one for only,
These are the top results.
okay, I bought this one for only $2 in an online. So it's a microphone like this, USB type. So connecting it to your TV box is so very easy because it's a USB type. So you'll just put it in your TV box. Okay, so after that, we're testing it on our search. Okay, hello Google.
Hi, what can I do for you?
So it's functioning, guys. Okay, so you can do search like, what's the weather today, Google?
Tonight in Loloan, Cebu, it's predicted to be 78 degrees with a thunderstorm. Right now it's 79 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Okay, so other. What time is it, Google?
It's 7 p.m.
Okay, so it's so very easy, guys. When you're using Google Assistant, you can tell the weather, the time, or something you want to talk to Google if you had a problem. But the main purpose of using a mic is you can open an app or search anything on the YouTube or in your Google, in your Netflix. Like we will test for opening in YouTube. Okay, open YouTube.
Opening. YouTube Go.
So we will be opening the app. Oh, so it's not. So there's for always just once. So I'll click always. Okay. So it's like a cell phone, guys. No, there's you can open the YouTube on Google Chrome, or you can open the YouTube on the in an app. Okay, so here's the YouTube. So in the YouTube, guys, when you're using like this one, you can do search. So like this, search. So here in YouTube, guys, you can still use the microphone. Okay, in here there's an app, there's a mic, so you can click the mic and search button, open paubaya. Oh, okay, speak now. Open the music. So you can do the search and using command voice on any type like YouTube or Google Assistant. So putting a microphone on your TV box is so good. It will save time typing for searching. Alright guys, if you had questions or suggestions, you can comment below, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.